Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add payment method on Gate.io. So the first thing, what you have to do is to click on the profile button, which is located in the top right corner. So you want to click on that. Once it opens, you will see your profile and then there is an arrow. So you want to click on this arrow. Once you are in your profile, then on the left side, you are going to have different kind of options as the profile identification, security settings and etc. But the one that we are looking for is payment settings. So you want to hit on that right now. We are on my payment settings page and as you can see, I don't have any payment methods right now. And you can see my account is not verified yet. So I can't add payment method, but I will guide you step by step through this process. At the top right corner of the screen, you have add payment method option. Just click on it. Then here you need to choose currency. So once you choose your currency, then you can click on the payment methods and these are available payment methods for the chosen currency for the Gate.io. And let's say that we will be targeting USDT and if we hit this, the payment methods could be different. Let's say we want to choose the USDT and then as a payment method, it will be PayPal. So you want to click on that. So for example, if it's PayPal, then just put the account number of PayPal or the account name and then put one-time Google verification codes from your app. And the next button, just continue for the steps, and this is the way how you can add any payment method on the Gate.io. If you found this video helpful, leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions related to it, leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching.